Hi. So, do you know that recently government of India has implemented a new rules regarding the coaching institutes? The rule is all about that no coaching institutes can enroll their students who is less than 16 years of age. And the second point is that no coaching institutes can conduct the student class more than 5 hours in a day, and no coaching institutes can conduct a class in Saturday or Sunday. If they violate the rules, so these coaching institutes will be fined rupees 1 lakh. Right? Now the question is that why these rules has been implemented. Actually, last couple of years we have seen that these coaching institutes tend to put enormous amounts of pressure on the mind of the students, which may leads to take some drastic steps by the students. So next time onwards, whenever you are going to admit your child to any coaching institutes, please be ensure that your child should be minimum 16 years of age. Thank you.